Today, you're going to master one simple but powerful English word: across. A word that many learners use, but very few truly understand. By the end of this video, you'll use it like a native speaker. First use: from one side to the other side. The most important meaning of across: moving from one side to the other side of something. Focus carefully on this idea. It's about crossing a surface or area. Examples: she walked across the street. They swam across the river. He ran across the field. Imagine a line. You start here and end on the other side. First use: we also use across to describe position. Something is on the opposite side. Examples: the bank is across the street. My friend lives across the park. The hotel is across from the station. You are not moving here, just describing location. Third use: spreading over an area. Something that exists or happens in many places. Examples: the news spread across the country. This problem exists across many industries. English is spoken across the world. The idea here is coverage, not movement. Fourth use: facial expression or body movement. When something appears on your face or body. Examples: a smile spread across his face. Shock moved across her face. It gives a very visual feeling, like emotion moving. Fifth use: across from. Used to describe something directly opposite something else. Examples: the cafe is across from the school. I sat across from him. Very common in daily conversations. Common mistakes: confusing across with through. He walked across the tunnel. Correct: he walked through the tunnel. Rule: across equals surface, road, river, field. Through equals inside something, tunnel, forest, building. Using across instead of along. He walked across the road for 10 minutes. Correct: he walked along the road. Rule: across equals from side to side. Along equals in the same direction. Forgetting from in position. The shop is across the street, me. Correct: the shop is across from me. Now you don't just know the word across, you understand how it works in real English. The next step? Start using it today. Write your own sentence with across in the comments, and I'll correct it for you. If you want to listen to a story, stay with me. A day across the city. One morning, Adam decided to walk across the street to buy coffee. After that, he looked across the road and saw a small bookstore. It was just across from the cafe, so he went there. Inside, he found a book about cultures across the world. He smiled, thinking about how people live differently across countries. As he was reading, a warm smile spread across his face. Later, he walked along the road, not across it this time, just enjoying the view.